What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Chainlink on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will go to coinbase.com and log into our account. After that you will arrive at this page. As you can see on the right top there are three options. You can deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. We would like to buy tokens, so we will select the second option. After that, you will arrive at this overview, and here you can see the asset you are going to buy. Click on it and select chain. Tick in the search bar chain and it will appear. We would like to buy Chainlink, so we have selected that. Fill in the amount you would like to purchase. Select the wallet you would like to use. I'm using my Euro wallet because I live in Europe. But if you are living in another country or region, then select the wallet you would like to use. After that, you can select the purchase frequency, but you can select daily, weekly, twice a month or monthly. I don't select any of them. I would like to make a one-time purchase. So after that, click on Preview Buy and they will show you some information about the purchase you are going to make. I will buying 0.33 coins and I'm using my Euro wallet. The price of each coin is 14 euros and 98 cents and the total amount of coins I'm purchasing is 5 euros and 1 cent. The fee I will be paying to Coinbase is 99 cents and the total amount I'm spending on this buy is 6 euros. As you can see, they gave another option to invest on a weekly basis. I will leave it on no for now. And after that, you can click on buy now. Then you will be buying these coins directly. So be aware of that. And hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys. Bye bye.